It is the morning of October 25th, so let's do a quick update on Bitcoin's chart, as well as take a look at the spot Bitcoin ETF products, and also take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Now, where we were at yesterday is we had a bounce off of the top line of our bull flag here, and then got another rejection from the previous bull cycle's all-time high. A small rejection, though. This is not a surprise. Now, the daily stochastic RSI is not showing signs of a turnaround yet on the spot chart. However, when we leave the spot chart for Bitcoin and come to the futures chart for Bitcoin, we can see that the stochastic RSI has begun turning around, which does match what we are seeing on the candle patterns. Which, once again, coming back to the first chart, is telling us that because of this long wick bought back up to have this daily candle close above this line of support, that we're not falling below $66,000 in any meaningful way moving forward, and that we are gearing up to get above, turn this line into support, and start going up to challenge the all-time high for Bitcoin at roughly $73,000, meaning that we should expect to see a turnaround on the spot chart for Bitcoin's stochastic RSI sometime soon. Maybe we'll go sideways for a little bit longer here, and this has time to bleed off into oversold territory, touch it, and then turn around. That could totally happen, but we'll see. But what we are seeing is that on the spot chart for Bitcoin, the candles are telling us we are not going below 66,000, and also the stochastic RSI in the futures chart is also telling us about a potential turnaround right around the corner. And as I've been harping every single day now for a few weeks, is that the stochastic RSI on the weekly chart for Bitcoin says up. And that is what is driving us forward. The stochastic RSI, along with the breaking of this very large macro pattern here in a bullish way, is driving the Bitcoin daily chart upwards and is going to make sure that we don't spend too much time with the daily stochastic RSI going downwards. Now, really quickly, regarding all of our altcoins, I want to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart because, and this is the monthly chart, by the way, so this is basically a year's worth of price action here. You can see that Bitcoin dominance has just been on the rise, and it's been in this channel that ever so slightly is like an ascending wedge. An ascending wedge is a bearish pattern. And we have a big line of resistance here at 64% market share for Bitcoin. Once we hit that, which again, these are monthly candles, right? So this is October, maybe this is going to be January or February. We come up to this point here. And since this is a bearish formation, I would expect once we get to about 63% dominance for Bitcoin, we see dominance fall and money start to flow into altcoins. The ETF might not allow that to happen, but we'll see. If people start taking money from their Bitcoin ETF positions, which are in a lot of profit, and putting it into the Ethereum ETFs, we could definitely see that happen. So regarding all of our altcoins, this is what we want to keep our eyes on as a potential switch from Bitcoin to altcoins in maybe 3 or 4 months or so. And to close things out, yesterday the Bitcoin ETF products bought basically $200 million of inflows for Bitcoin the other day. That is the update for the day. Hope you have a good day. Do good things. Be good people. Make a bunch of money.